In a world where precision is paramount and efficiency is the lifeblood of success, one company stands at the forefront of innovation in the oil and gas industry. Introducing Geo Lands Doctor, your trusted partner for cutting-edge geospatial AI solutions. Every pipeline tells a story, a complex network of connections, stretching across vast landscapes. Keeping them safe and optimized is no small feat. But fear not, because at Geo Lands Doctor we've harnessed the power of geospatial AI to revolutionize pipeline planning and post-production maintenance. With our state-of-the-art AI algorithms, we can accurately analyze vast amounts of geospatial data, enabling us to predict potential issues and prevent costly downtime. By partnering with Geo Lands Doctor, our clients have witnessed up to a 30% increase in maintenance efficiency, leading to significant cost savings and enhanced productivity.
This helps in identify and resolve a potential leakage issue before it becomes a major problem, saving us time and resources. With the Geo AI-powered insights, Geo Lands Doctor would be able to optimize your pipeline network, improving the overall flow and maximizing output.
Our team of geospatial experts works tirelessly, collaborating with your experts to provide tailor-made solutions for your unique pipeline challenges. Geo Lands Doctor has been recognized as an industry leader, receiving prestigious awards for our commitment to innovation and excellence. Join hands with Geo Lands Doctor and unlock the true potential of your oil and gas pipeline network. Let us help you navigate the future with confidence, using the power of geospatial AI.